So what is my treasure that it was another man's trash? Definitely not Abe, he's everybody's treasure. But I've got two razors, electric razors that I pulled out of the metal recycle bin, both in mechanically what looks like perfect condition. The paint's not even chipped. The batteries are probably dead. There was no charging power pack with these, so I'll have to come up with something like that. This one's missing the seat, but again, they're in excellent condition. I'll probably fix this one up and sell it, and this one I might keep for myself after I get a seat. But these things don't belong in the metal recycle to be crushed. If you have something like this, donate it or try to sell it online. There's many options online to sell things, but many other people can get use out of this, like me. I'm going to get some use out of it. Who knows why or where. Don't replace it, fix it. Try to keep stuff out of the recycle. All it does is fill up our landfills. Please give me that thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Share it. And I'll see you next time on Driving Intelligence.